Hey guys, Mike and Blair here from Russ Brothers at 1:42 Sunday afternoon. We have officially hit 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Hard to believe, eh, Blair?
I'm blown away.
I don't believe it either. But anyway, thanks to you guys, thanks to all our loyal fans, thanks to all the people that have followed our YouTube channel, watched our TV show, watched us, our trips, our trials, our tribulations, our wins, a lot of losses. Anyway, we'd just like to reach out with a heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you, and hopefully we can keep providing you guys with some good entertainment as we continue the journey here on our builds and the 64 Chevelle that in 50 some odd days has got to be heading east, long ways east. Anyway, again, thank you and stay tuned. Remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy, and stay tuned.